Am I good? Is my video good? Throwing up the west side sign, even though I'm from the east side. I'm good? I'm good! Ladies and gentlemen, being nimble, being logical, being consistent. Trader be nimble, trader be quick. Trader sells over the candlestick. Are you evolving in this market? BJ's crushes on earnings, really easy ways to make money. Our precise daily stock levels, our game plan in Forex, as well as our full stock analysis. I am Mark Melnick, and this is the Newsbeat Show. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the Newsbeat Show. We have so many great things to talk about. Have you been evolving with this market, or have you been trying the same old stuff and realize that maybe you're having some more issues making money in a market like this when it is actually very easy if you apply just a little bit of logic and correct strategy along with evolving with the market? So we're going to show you so much more than that. We're going to show you that. We're going to show you BJ's earnings. We're going to show you our precise daily stock levels and so much more. But first, focus on the pen. Focus on the pen. I would like to say thank you to the mystical aliens above us who watch upon us from the Newsbeat Live Compliance team. Kindly pause this video, memorize it. Once you memorize this, only then may you hit play. Thank you so much for reading that. So we have 5 minutes on the clock right down there. We got 5 minutes on the clock. And we're going to just break through everything and just show you everything as beautifully and as quickly as we can. All right. All right. You ready, Johnny? Let's go ahead and start me off, Johnny. Let's go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, being nimble and being logical in this market is a very important thing. We were telling you guys yesterday with the XRT. We said, take a look at the XRT strangle. We talked about the 70 cents straddle. I ended up paying 61 cents for it. Some people in the room got better prices. Nobody in the room got worse prices than me. And check it out. What happens today? XRT absolutely plummets. Yes, there's drama in retail. Yes, these names aren't able to hold up with Amazon doing so bad as of recently. And that's exactly what we insinuated. Congratulations. We caught a little over about 150% with everything. About 150% return on a 1 day overnight strangle. We just simply bought calls, bought puts, and hope that we had a big move. We definitely did have a big move, and a nice little quick home run for those who followed us there. Congratulations. Then we walked into the intraday trading today, and it's kind of funny. Look, here's the bottom line. If you are not changing with this market, if you are still following those traders, there's a certain group of broadcasters and traders who some traders are only able to help themselves. Be very careful of the traders who could trade 10 to 20 names. They bring very little value to you. You might think they're bringing value to you, but they're actually bringing very little value to you. There are traders out there who could trade a plethora of names. There was a time back in 2000 when I was averaging 20 to 40 names a day. I would have been a horrible broadcaster. There's a difference between being a good broadcaster and there's a difference between being a good trader, and I tried to combine both. That's why I made a very heavy four-figure day today and was quite happy with the way I was trading. I was just basically hitting it just about every single time on the vast majority of my trades, taking almost no losses whatsoever. So we knew we had volatility today. We saw the market shooting up this morning. We saw it shooting up. What happens? You just see this 5-minute bar jumping up. You know what I did? I didn't even know what to do. I was like, oh, I'm just going to buy AMD. And I just jumped in. I went ahead. I bought AMD. I absolutely crushed it. Here, let me show you it on the 1 minute as well. Absolutely crushed AMD. Just went ahead, just jumped in some calls. And again, when I'm crushing it, I'm not even taking any like real size. Like I'm taking such low risk. Like right over here, jumped in AMD. Stock went straight up. Great. Then what I was doing was the following. This is how I'm going to turn you into a logical trader. So here is, I need to show you, here is the 5 minute of the Qs this morning. You saw how we went up and then went down. And again, use the spiders. God bless you. It looks exactly the same. Here, look, you go up, you go down, you go up, you go down. So I'm sitting there and I'm thinking to myself, if I want to take a trade, shouldn't I look for something that's showing, if I want to buy. Most of you guys like to buy. Wouldn't I want to find something that is exuding just a little bit of relative strength today? Wouldn't that be useful? Wouldn't that be helpful? If you could find a name that is holding up when the market goes down, what a coincidence. Nvidia. We saw Nvidia. I was like, wow, that's a beautiful bull flag. I was buying through every single 5 minute breakout today. The thing was sexier than, I don't know, insert your sexy analogy here. Right over here, $140.95. We bought it. Bang, you're up $2. All right, just wait for the next 5 minute breakout. All right, comes down, breaks through 142.80. We buy again, shoots to 146.51. Exactly as we buy Nvidia, about 10, 15 seconds, was it maybe actually 30 seconds later? Citron comes out. Andrew Left coming to the rescue for the Newsbeat live room, bulling up Nvidia. Our calls exploded through the ceiling. We absolutely crushed it. I went ahead and put a $155 target on Nvidia today. We actually didn't get there. We hit 154.26, but still, nonetheless, look at every single 5 minute breakout here, and you broke out right here through 148.30. Every single 5 minute breakout on the way up today was working in Nvidia up till 11 o'clock. So there was a really great opportunity to make money. And here's the thing. You need to be able to focus in on few names and be able to make money on them. If you are following someone, if you are doing the same old stuff, you're not going to know why you're losing money. There is a reason why we're making money. And inside the link, there's a description to a Black Friday sale. That is a shameless promotion. Definitely check it out if you do want to, change your trading around and you do want to follow people who are actually making money very consistently without just showing their P&L on the days where they do well. With that being said, BJ's went ahead. They reported crushed on earnings. Very good. 39 cents beat the 34 cents expected. 3.22 billion beats the 3.17 billion expected. And you could just see BJ's trading up after hours right now, doing real well. Raise their consensus outlook, $1.22 to $1.26. That's ahead of the $1.17 to $1.24 expected, and just doing really well here. I see that I'm going over the time. Shame on Melnick. Here, pow. I'm going over 5 minutes. You know what? I need a little bit more here. I need a little bit more. How about you give Melnick just 2 more minutes here? How about you give Melnick just 2 more minutes here? Okay, give me a couple minutes to finish what I have to say. So BJ's doing good in this environment. Why? Because people have to eat whether the market goes up or down. People, when they go to BJ's, yes, you'll buy 1,723 rolls of toilet paper, and God knows how long you could utilize that for whatever you need it for, and you'll buy 3, 4, 5 gallons of milk, etc. But people do it because they think they're saving money. BJ's, very beaten up name, crushes on earnings completely. You're going to see the cream rise to the top. You're going to see the names that were beaten up in this market rise to the top. BJ's should definitely be one of those names. Look for a little breakout tomorrow of $22.12. That's what I would watch. Moving on along, we're going to look at our precise daily stock levels. Copy them, take a screenshot, write them down. Do not tattoo them on yourself. They will change for the next trading day. These are very important levels in which I am watching to potentially make money on. These are very important levels. They don't always hit, but when they do tend to be very important for trading. There are traders in our room who trade just religiously off of these names, and this is the only thing they use. And from what I've been told, they're making money pretty consistently. Quite happy and incredible for them. And I offer you these levels now for free. Moving on along, our game plan in Forex. Yeah, I'm watching L Brands. Honestly, I'm not a fan of the lingerie that I bought from Victoria's Secrets. And you know what? Neither is anybody else. I thought they would actually pop this one up. I was wrong. Again, I didn't bet on it. I didn't buy it. I didn't sell it. I didn't short it. I just thought their earnings looked good. I still defend it. I still think their earnings look good. They beaten up the name. Look how big of a down move. They beaten them up really because of this dividend, 28.33. Your breakdown in L Brands. And moving on along, ladies and gentlemen, I have no Forex trades for you guys. No new orders today. That's up to the Forex market. That is not up to me. So again, no new Forex trades here today. So, ladies and gentlemen, of course, we go into our full stock analysis. Again, that's your stocks, my levels and thoughts. Keep in mind, we have a Black Friday sale. Join the room now before it turns into like, what is it, $3,000 a year. Again, all prices are increasing. You could definitely take advantage of it. There's a link in the description if you wish to be part of the Newsbeat live room, if you wish to be part of a room that is evolving. Not only that, I just want to mention, even though my timer is up yet again, I totally went over it. So again, I just want to mention some of the things we're doing here. You know, we went ahead and we took Facebook calls. We went ahead and we took where is that? Right here. Nvidia calls. We went for Nvidia calls. We went ahead and we took Netflix calls as well. So I think the market cap's up tomorrow. I did take a decent little portion of my profits today, just throw it at it and say, you know what? Worst comes to worst, I'm still going to be up money after such a phenomenal day of intraday trading, intraday calls. We called the bottom of the markets accurately. We called the tops of the markets accurately. And we did a lot of these things extremely accurately. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, we do go into our full stock analysis. That is your stocks. That is my levels and thoughts on anything you're watching. Of course, that is for Newsbeat Live members only. Ladies and gentlemen, according to the state of Arkansas and a population town of 7,322, the Newsbeat Live Room is the largest, fastest growing trading room in the nation. Happy trading, make money. I'll see you guys tomorrow on the Newsbeat Live trading broadcast. Have a wonderful evening.